The electric hot air gun rechargeable cordless is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a temperature range of 300 to 550 C and adjustable settings, it offers versatility for various tasks, from paint stripping to shrink wrapping. The cordless design powered by a Makita 21V battery ensures maximum portability and convenience. Plus, it comes with multiple nozzles to suit different applications. Best of all, you can snag this fantastic tool at an incredible discount of up to 70% off by using the link in the description or comments. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your toolkit.